Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pravculear, and we're going to be unboxing the Womier DK75, which is a membrane keyboard. Yeah, I know it's a bit of an odd choice for this channel, especially since I've just been mainly reviewing mechanical keyboards, not membrane. So what do you say we just get right into this box? So let's just open it up like so. So we have the usual manual that we probably won't be reading, and all the keyboard itself. The obligatory USB-C to USB-A cable, and nothing else. That's how we did. Alright. So let's just set it off to the side a little bit. And just take the keyboard out of its sleeve. And it's something like this. So yeah, that's the keyboard in all its glory. Yes, it's green. Right, and it's also can be connected to the computer with a USB-C, a 2.4 GHz dongle allegedly, and Bluetooth. Yeah, and there's also the obligatory two-step feet, which is nice to have when they do show up. Like so. Oh, there's the USB dongle. It's on this. It's underneath this butt of the keyboard. So let's just get it out, and then I'm gonna hook it up to the computer. Alright, so it's hooked up to the computer. Let's see the boot on. Boot animation. Right, so that's the keyboard setup completed, and you can use it with Windows, Mac. But well, let's just say you're not gonna be seeing me use it with Mac because I don't have a Mac. And right, so that's a volume knob. And I'm going to read the instructions and just see if I can change the light settings for this keyboard. Right, so it's FN plus this T to change the colors. Right, so now it's green, so that's straight. And FN plus enter, like so, to change the settings. Really? You're not gonna let me change it back to just pure green? Wow. Alright, so I got it back to pure green on this mode, so that's how you do that. So, what do I think about this keyboard? Well, so far it hasn't disappointed me yet. So, yeah, there's that. Anyways, if you're looking for the sound test of this keyboard, that's in the full review, which is Friday's video. So, yeah, I'll see you then. So, like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video and its playlist all over social media if you want to help out the channel and the algorithm for free. And if you want to support the channel financially, there's a link to my Ko-Fi in the description below where you can get your name on the credit stream for as little as $1 a month. There's also the Amazon affiliate link for this keyboard, which will support the channel and help make more of these kind of videos possible, and also you can also support the channel. Financially, anyways. Anyways, I'll see you on Friday on this channel. If you want the daily content, that's on the main channel. Currently, it's RimWorld. Yeah, currently binging RimWorld right now, mostly because of the new DLC. But oh well, I digress. Anyways, I'll see you on Friday. Bye!